Prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta using identity secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. LHS is equal to sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Divide each term by cos theta. That is, sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta minus cos theta by cos theta 1 plus 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta plus cos theta by cos theta is equal to 1 minus 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta is equal to secant theta plus tan theta minus 1 by 1 minus of secant theta minus tan theta is equal to secant theta plus tan theta minus 1 divided by here secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta minus secant theta minus tan theta is equal to secant theta plus tan theta minus 1 divided by secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta minus of secant theta minus tan theta is equal to secant theta plus tan theta minus 1 divided by take common secant theta minus tan theta. Secant theta minus tan theta into secant theta plus tan theta minus 1. Secant theta plus tan theta minus 1, secant theta plus tan theta minus 1 cancel. That is equal to 1 by secant theta minus tan theta is equal to RHS. So therefore, LHS is equal to RHS.